Welcome back, dear students. Menaka TS hide the channel sida ngasi na hoi class 6 ki oiba mamang de khune tamkiba para King Solomon the Wise ningthau Solomon asingba ningthau haba ko adugi para adugi question sir du semtoksi adu akhoi punna marak tu wari sana sana digest to minasi ado aina noida haning se haiba noigi class 6 ki lesson kya dagina kya pawo sem khrbage harbagi khangning agaso si lesson number 15 yaurabani mamang da lesson amani putho bani ado idum noi men khlakadoi bani wat pado adu golona channel sigi playlist semaga lerabani haiba playlist adu da zangaga lesson sing noi ni ningba singdu masdagi yengbi kudong sabdu phanglagani habdu ai noi da thamge to bani ado masigi question answer lesson sigi ko khoi semorom da changsilasi ahanba question number 1 c shida dum challe aduna aisum yenga parage why was King Solomon famous habuko ningthau Solomon se kaigidamukta maming satpage habani ko King Solomon was famous for his wisdom magi loksingi domak maming satli habani lesson sing se phajana yengo aduga nungai taba khotaba do adu hairo comment share toro comment send toro adu chimpa phan babudi parokino hoji exam tawo mak natabani na hayang kona exam ya tadum par su yadino ko then Roman number 2 who came to see him from a distant land haba arapalam dagi ningthau Solomon bu unaba kana lakhibage the queen of Sheba Shebagi Maharani from the land of Yemen came to see King Solomon from a distant land arapalam Yemen hariba mafam asidagi madugi Maharani Queen ko Shebagi Maharani Yemen habdigi manung dele ba Sheba hariba lamam oidini ko masi Maharani do arapalam digi ningthau Solomon unaba lakhi Roman number 3 what was the land of Yemen known for Yemen gi lamsa kari gi domak mayam na khangna bage ningthau Solomon nambu maming satpagi domak khogi Prithvi ki anak pamadi arapa mafam da leba mi sing na khange ko atopa leibak singi asigumna Yemen su magi khutsa haiba praja sing leibagi damak maming chatli yamna haithoi sing thaiba saba hatpa khotpa am haibu ko praja sing leibagi damak Roman number 3 chale ko the land of Yemen gilamsi the land of Yemen was known for its craft people hagadaba was swalakon so the words and amta hapsanji si hapsalo the land of Yemen was and sim hapsangadaba yariko known for its crafts people yariko smai simsi Roman number 4 why did karigidama King Solomon feel happy karigi nuai ba phauri no Yemen gi Maharani lakpagi damakta mana nuai ba phauri ni magi lamda koirak padugi ko King Solomon felt happy manuai ba phauki for the queen of Sheba gi Maharani lakpagi damak visit to his land magi lamda loina na mana lakpado with the treasures sanalupa mayam puraga lai to meet him ma unna ba Sanalupa purala is the pandabani ko the gidi spices puragalai matam the spices yamna pi but yamna fazabuga tangba podamo irami adugi harauri bani then Roman number 5 what was the final gift of the queen to King Solomon da iroiloina queen of Sheba Yemen da halamdai da piramba Aroiba kudol potu karino two beautiful pots of flowers were the final gift aroiba kudol urami of the queen Maharani na piba to the King Solomon ningthau Solomon da to King Solomon ningthau Solomon da piba aroiba kudol pot urami Roman number 6 why did everybody kaigidamak mi khudimak na praise the king ningthau du thagal no answer everybody praise the king for his wisdom magi loksing gidamak mabu thagat pani and solving wisely yamna hai singna solve to bogidamak pakhum sing puthok bogidamak fall sing puthok bogidamak the queen of Seba's question Sebana hangba aruba wahangdo madu pakhum chumna piba gidamak mayamna amadi magi loksing singba du gidamak mayamna mabu thagat khibani makamu yang sikwa two series ki question sing si sidale ra wen chale kwa why did many people come kari damak ni mayam lai bno to King Solomon ningthok Solomon gi manak ni mayam lai du kari gi no hang bakwa chale kwa Tugi 1 Sale King Solomon was famous ma paurami kayam khangarami for his wisdom magi loksing adu gidamak he never left someone mana kana gumba matabu ha khogi lem na thadokite hayotare ko huntoklam de hayotare who came to him magi manakta lakwa mi khuding mana lem na thadoklam de with problems khudong chadab sing pudun lakpa phol puthopangam da wahang sing pudun lakpa mi khuding mang lem thadoklam de without solutions hari sing adu phol pidna mana thadoklam de ba lakpulaba mai manakta phol dum pi phol pi de thadokhi de indeed the sing namak haisi he solved the problems mahana problem khuding mak solve tawgi in the cause of justice achumba wailda yumpham oiraga so many people me mayamama from far arak padigan and near anak padagi came to him mag manakta lakhibani for the solution of their problems makogi khudong sa da singadu solution purakna ba madu fall puthokna ba haiba tare ko Roman number 2 give reasons maram piu why the king called his counselor for the foreign affairs mahaki mapal lamgi lebak singa Mari Lenana Tabuk to whatever Pamnai would do, Karigidam Mahana Koribano. When King Solomon heard King Solomon Tarabada, that Madudi, the queen of Sebagi Maharani Ado, had come from the land of Yemen. Yemen Harbal Mashiki Magli Baktala Ahab Sitarami, he was wondered Madudam up from the tower the Naglami. Why Karigidamak, the queen wanted Maharani Eduna Palm Libano to meet him mabu nabakarigi pamli bano haibsi manga amme bakam so maramaduna haiba wangsigi pokum phangnabagi dama King Solomon called his counselor magi phamnai badu mantri haitare ko adu kauri bani for foreign affairs mapani thompuba mapalebak singi matanga tobudu madugi mari lenaba mantri phamnai badu kauri bani to ask the reason maramdu hangnaba behind the Queen of Seba's visit Queen of Sebana magi lebak ta lakli bese kay maram gino hay do khang na ba kauri bani to his land and kay dona ba to handle the reception ceremony mabu nintina taram na fajana ong na bagi thoram do as his duty magi mathau amoina tongna na ba counselor du ko bani adu atopa mana counselor du da Maharani Sebana lakpagi maram sikhang bra hay bese hangna na bagi to bani Hojik Roman number 3 yang si right on you have any kwa kita ngkatare mayung lak ni kwa ure right on the craftspeople of Yemen gi missing si kayam na hay singe habidugi matang da you have ni The land was known for its craftspeople. Lamdam dugi mi singadigi kutsai bugidamak lammasimaming chali. They were highly skilled makoyam na haitoi singthoi. As an example, kudamun hairakanda karipan beare the counselors show phamnaiba magi mapal thorum pubuduna mantri hai tare ko aduna ulami the queen's pelang queen maharani adugi dolai go adugi phikhum do madu ulami. It was a real beauty madu thangai mak sena phajarami. It was made of a metal madu dhatu amana sabani that looked like silver lupa masugi manba adu dhatu na saba malam de yengda phi man bujani dhatu na sago jam nana semba ko it pakot pa hak paiba. It had the most finely curved madu khwaidi na fajaba designs in carved torami haklami and curtains adugi sumatakta pelang kuin adugi sumatakta magi dolai adugi yaliba yukhan habatare ko thong dolai dugi kakhar kumda to kumda happy ba parda yukhal ko of the softest leather madu khwaidi gi thot pa soul na sembo irami. The two alike flower ko yamanaba leirang pambi gamla ani pots flower pots also saw madu sugula mi how much kayamna the people of Yemen gi missing say we are so skilled yamna hai sing bage in crafts hakpa khotpa sabu khotpa sida ke yamna hai sing bage habdo leirang gamla ani dinu sutaklamni maram di leirang gamla ani di khoina kangle amana natural flower ni aduga amana artificial craft towa adugumba craftsman amagi magi work neba phajaba man haga semba poneba ani du khenabdo puthopang amdrimi nam chamna kwa. Then what is the final test aruiba changying du karino given by the queen duna pigiba ningthau Solomon da pigiba tawge aruiba changying du karino yarwa ani rak thoktare sibuktang hana tors. Finally, as the Queen of Sheba was departing, Mama Ithangda Shebagi Maharani na Yemenda Hanabagidama Solomon gi Lamase Tadokuna Salam Dada Solomon gi Lamse Israel Habnatro Israel Tadoko Salam Dada Kwa. Her companion Sagadaba he Natekwa. Her companions Magaluina Dunalapa Manaisina brought two beautiful pots of flowers, Lerang Pazaba Yoruba Gamla Nikak Puturglami, that look exactly alike. The Buddha Buhaiba Lerang Nido Amagamaga Chop Manarami. It was her gift, Madumaki Kudolurami, to King Solomon the Pinanaba for the departing moment. And it was also a taste Mados Sangyangam Soirami given by the Queen Maharani Piba to him Ningthau Solomon to find out the real flower. A single Langdo, Karambano Kantok Nabugi Sangyang Oirami. Between the two Kamla Pambi, Ani Dugimartia Riba, Manarable Lang Sinadudagi, Karamana Single Lang no, Aduga Amana. One was from the work of a gardener, Amana gardener na Tabalerangni, and another was the work of a craftsperson. Atopamana craftsman Amana Saba Dugumba Lerangni could hug a semba sabo oil. The taste was to select the real flower, Sangyang Dudi assemble Lerang du Kantok Oirami from the two alike flowers. Manariba Masak Kenadriba Lerang Gamla Nido Adudagi. Aroiba Roman number 5 Wangni. How did King Solomon solve the final test? Ningthau Solomona Aroibagi Changyang Lerang Gamla Ani Dudigi Assemble Lerang Kantopagi Toromda Madu come down on my Pakibagi Havako. Masiki the Mahana natural creatures in Sinaki Madu Koyangsi. It was rather impossible Madu Ahoinadum Oidaba Potam Oirami. It was rather impossible at the Ahoinadum Oitoloidaba Moirami to tell the difference Kenava Hybado of the alike flower pots. Manaraba Gamla Nidimark the Kenaba Putopa Hybado Oitoloidaba Moirami and to find out the natural flower. Aduga Mahosagaba Lerang Kantok Bible Urubo Moirami. Indeed, the same nama, the taste The final test was also one of the toughest tests. Madu tasengna aruba sangyang amoirami, but King Solomon solved wisely, solved it ana yausika. Adu ningthau Solomon madi yam haisingna yamna singna phol putho mi haita. Solve it am hapsen ba. Solve it harga wisely haidana sida lakadoba. Kwa inkhala sida di kwa. Salalasi hai nam thara kes maina kwa. But King Solomon solved it wisely. Yam hai singna mahang madu phol puthokre mal solve tawre kwa. He ordered mahangna yathang pirami to be taken out and place it in the garden. Mahangna magi manai sunda lerang gamla ni tu puthoro adugane lekol da thamu haidana mana kidorami oktak pirame ko yathang pirame ba. Soon dagidi after some time miku kharage matung da di haing khoi singna bees and butterflies kurak singna began to come near the pots. Gamla ani dugi manak to paiklami. Soon thunamak they sat on the real flower pot. Adugumba lahi selaba ko mahausa gi leirang adugi mathakta tonglami lahi supnabagi nama, leaving the artificial flower pot. Adugi artificial flower pot to madu thadoklamnaga moina adu Solomon khangre ko lahi yawdi leirang tongani lahi yawdabdi leirang tongoy ko masakta khangmona ma te sidi manungi magunda khangdori na. Thus assume todana he came to know mahana khangmangamgi the real flower assembly rangdo and solved the final test. Adu aroibagi sangyeng do solve the final test. Aroibagi sangyeng do test adu solve tok thoki ko. Shida question answer koina nai nagadaba 1 series amasung 2 series ti loire essay type ki si ai sembre darkar leragadi noina ingonda kitang walingai da lapingai da madu comment hairo aduga ina mateng pangba yabra habudu yenge. WhatsApp number hapakadobani essay type semo haragadi ko WhatsApp to nangi tongana semaga tharakadoribani darkar wi nangi aduga loina na hoje khuna tawgadoribasina makha tarakpada vocabulary amadi grammar gi work sing ni aina marwina emphasis piri se vocabulary amadi grammar gi work sing dani masi sungsoi soidani yengadobani ko. Fill in the blanks ahang basing asimen silu using season aduna kari season araga the words given in the box below makagi box the p wise season araga meloye adum men silabani aina ko number 3 basini sida atra lalaga chasiko. Number 1 the King Solomon solved the problems of many people. New kamaki khudongsa the wafam kya ni thok Solomona madu ira ila lu sinki ko wahang sindugi pakum puthoki puthopangam wafam kya mana while chathagi. The king stood for justice aduga matam supada ningthawase the king ningthawase stood adileplami for justice achumba while gidamak mahaksi lepam sakamani. Queen of Sheba came from Maharani Shebasi lakpani a distant land arapalam amadigi lakpani habni ko. Yemen was famous. Yemen haribasi Pawi for its maki crafts people khusa hairaba hakpakot hairaba mising adugi damak maming satli. King Solomon was curious. Ningthau Solomon se ngauzei haitare to know khangnaba maji ngaurami adu khangning mani ikhau langbadu oirameba ko. To know khangnaba the reason maramdo behind the queen's visit Maharani namagi lamda ko karigi damak Shebagi Maharani Yemen dagi suklap namagi lebak lakliba no haibudo khangning bana ngaurami ko. Queen of Sheba had come to taste Maharani Shebagi Maharani na Yemen lebaki madudale Sheba haibu mafam madugi Maharani yesina lakhibani kaidona ba to taste sangyeng tonana ba the king's wisdom ningthaudugi loksingdu sangyeng tonana ba lakhibani siniko. Number 7 King Solomon was happy. Ningthau Solomon si yamna nungairami to meet unabada an intelligent person adugumbi yamna haithoi singthoi loksing lerebi nupi ma unaba magilebak to korakpada like her magumbi amako. mayek sengbra haibadu check tawni the queen said a gift maharani duna khaksin duna thamlame losin duna thamlame kudol amakak for the departing moment kainaram da mikupta ningthau du pi ni na bagidama gamla ni dugi wafam duni the king found it ningthau na madu putholami difficult haidi awaba moyam putholami habana the king found it difficult magi aroiba changyeng do ningthau da awaba moyami difficult spelling lale I will the king found it difficult to distinguish the khenaba putopada between the flowers lerang ani thi marakta karamana mahok sagu lerang no karamana khusing go lerang no haibu putopada awaba mo erami ko sum tawdana khoina sigi vocabulary gi sork sima hang me den basi loira mathang side khoina masida some of the words in the box can be used in place of the underlined words makha de koin underline to wai si yauri dana sigi mota si yauri wai sinjalaga you havenita ko in the sentences given below rewrite the sentences after replacing underlined words with those from the box of equivalent meanings amu koin magi term da palaga di synonyms pi havenita synonyms kan to haveni please come lao sida chanbiduna and help mateng pangbiro me and choose a good brand of coffee afaba coffee gi makhal ama ko thakpa yaba coffee do adugi company afabadu masak khantong na bahona bada engonda mateng pangbiro sini amuk makhala ise Roman number 2 da select khan ko 1 gi se he was voted mahaksi khalami haidoni ko councillor wena electore haideba vote ki mote kari hapoba elected councillor of our town khoi sir ji ki masi councillor wena ko khalle haben I have lost my way aina agi lambi do mangre could you show nang ngon da highway ba yagadra direct di oyagda yar ko could you direct takpi bang amgadra me ngon da takpi bang amgadra the way to the town hall ta na chappa yabagi lambi de ngon da takpi ba yabra sini I want to borrow your pipe nangi pipe tom to waijage I want to connect this samjinaba pami it madu to my pipe agi pipe ka samginage which is short aten ba agi pipe se kar tele nangi du wire gam ta samjange sing ba boiro ko adu to guessing the world has many cracks phalang du akai ba mafam mayam lere mai salaba it won't madu will not have any keep us safe but they could ngak sen no thambangam la roi protect ngak pangam la roi silo safe hoge mota ko keep us safe mota ka isile protect from the cold winds aying ban nuksi to mad the function thon lagani masine khoi ngak sen no thambangam la roi sini hai ko sigi loina bak season ate ko koina khanga do si sidagi wahi kyano khalise manga khakting ne koina select toris yare ko then mathang sidi yamna live mu oire sidi yauri ba number 6 ki wa question se masidi yauri ba si I e natragana e I sidi yaure e I natragana I e c wahi sing si mapung pha na ba hapsi lu haibani yare ko adu di layena sida ko believe that the IEF Thazaba Phil Labuk FIELD Peace Makak PIECE Achieve Phangba Pot ama Phangbado aduga Mai Pakpa ka Phangbado ko ACHIEVE Grief for the Awaba GRIEF aduga Sil Toba haitare ko akhuna kay haisige kupsin bugumba haisira yomsin bugumba haisira dugi bofamni SHIELD aduga sif khwaidigi maru hoiba prime haibagu mani ko sidi CHIEF aduga nis de koina isa khoi ikhuragi ko macha aigi naw no pagi kay tara aigi kakagi macha gumbase ngonda nis ko ina smana ko imo nu pi haitare ko londa ko isa nu pi haisya I get box up the network NIECE ko aduga yield mahi marong YIELD asigumna akoina wahi singsi hapchilaga atha thokpa wahi ma amuk sembani mathang sidi akoina ko grammar gida concord ana lei ko concord chi yamna subject amasung madudi yauriba person duga sana naba sizinabani concord means sana sidi yauri se ko yang sai sum parke concord means agreement agreement hygienic concord have the ko yasan naba sasin naba oibo ko in the structure of a sentence amada madu sasin na chusin na thambangam bodo koina concord ko mada hapaka de verb to the verb must agree with each subject in person or number person first person second person third person haidana ekoina lei aduga number haigana singular amasung plural adubani maduga chasinana verb to ga mai lenana ekoina kedoba madugi chanaba chunabudu hapka doribani I haiga where de khoi mena de dana I the is I the where mena de is mena de natra his mena de ekoin I the men baji head meli am meli was meli natra adu si natabising ekoi sasin ba ya deba madu ekoina person amasung number duga chanabadu meli bani haina logani asigumna sida ekoina men na ba kudam ani khakpiri haribudu yeng sikwa karigi matungna sasina raibno habido now fill in the blanks hoji ahamba sing and simen silu with the correct verb forms sanaba magi achumba verb ki mowong sinaraga kettle have say is ti yaude adu koina masi plural number oina ngasai koina number gi matang pan gidana adu plural oina lonai aduna plural oirabina is hape yaroi are haikane ba ko cattle are useful to men. San sing simue badi amna kana ye haidori meba sa san sing se. Yari ko physics habisi es yawi he yang bada plural oina ui. Adu natte singular ni ama kaktang khangna bani singular number ni aduna ama kaktang khangna bani na is hakune. Physics is the science of matters. Mangonda yauri ba pochak singi ko matters adi machak singi matangda adugumba nainaba subject to vigyan do ikoina kari kawi physics high sin asigumna concord natragna agreement haiba si sentence to gi yauriba subject oriba ko natragna object or subject hai tare ko subject oriba laiba potu madu noun oigera pronoun oigera first person oigera second person oigera third person oigera natragna singular oigera plural oigera ko haiba sigi matungina chanaba verb am habodu ekoina concord natragna agreement koi masi ekoina asumba verb form de ithokpadu sigi tanja shida loire so thank you very much for joining with me and watching my video and see you to a new and another video in this channel. Thank you very much.